Hey, thank you. The Chairman and Founding Trustee, the Director of the Sai Prema Foundation, the Honourable Minister for Health and Medical Services, Assistant Ministers, Your Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, my fellow Fijians. Excuse me. Bulavinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. Today, we are celebrating a wonderful occasion, the opening of this new Sri Sathya Sanjeevani Medical Center, which, as you've heard, will offer free health and medical services to our people, including those living and working here in Nasese. I'd like to begin by extending a very gracious vinakavalevun to the Sai Prema Foundation and all of your membership for working with us to make this new medical center a reality. As of today, these doors will be open to every Fijian, many from rural communities in this area, giving them far greater access to medical professionals who can offer counsel, treatments, and even some medicines, all completely for free. So this center is going to put many of our people on the path towards healthier living, and quite simply, it is going to save Fijian lives. Really, there's no more noble pursuit than giving our people the tools and resources they need to enjoy healthier and happier lives. That is the view of my government, and I'm very glad to see that commitment shared so strongly by the Sai Prema Foundation. As your Prime Minister, the government I lead is tasked with the protection, well-being and prosperity of every Fijian. That is an enormous responsibility, and one that we are proudly meeting every day in our service to the Fijian people. Our work covers every aspect of our national development in health, education, infrastructure, economic management, and in caring for those most vulnerable in our society. But that work is far too important for any government to go at it alone. Every member of our society, where they are able, must help us make life better for our people and look out for those in dire need of assistance. Everyone should help lend a helping hand. Everyone should give what they can afford to give. And everyone should spend time listening and learning from the struggles and hardships faced by their fellow Fijians. That is what makes true Fijian patriots. That is what defines good Fijian citizenship. Because being a good citizen is about more than only following the law. It is about more than paying your taxes and cheering on our sports teams. Good citizenship is about doing what you can in your life to make Fiji a better, safer place to live. It is about showing respect to your countrymen and women. It is about being active and caring members of our communities. And it is about going beyond the call of duty for the sake and success of your country. This is what we are celebrating this morning, the greatness that good citizenship can achieve. And the achievement of the Sai Prema Foundation is not only limited to this new medical center. Your charitable work throughout the country has already touched the lives of thousands of our people. Through your Gift of Life program back in August 2016, you provided critical surgeries to 23 Fijian children here in Fiji and were able to send another 3 overseas to undergo other surgical procedures. You've also brought an international team of doctors to Fiji just a few weeks ago who carried out free cardiac surgeries for even more of our young people. And I'd like to extend a special welcome to the 27 children who we welcomed this morning, who benefited from those surgeries and who are, as I said, actually here with us this morning. I know we can all agree that seeing them here, seeing them healthy and doing well, is the greatest reward any of us can ever ask to receive. So again, on behalf of every parent in Fiji, we thank your foundation. Along with the doctors who carried out this work, for what you've done for these young Fijians. Whether through your work offering free medical and dental camps and screening to Fijians in rural areas of the country, or assisting the National Bird Service in Fiji, looking after the needs of orphan children, providing relief assistance to Fijians affected by severe weather, or even offering scholarships for Fijian doctors to train overseas, you've shown your care for our people knows no bounds. You are invaluable partners to my government, and the tremendous impact you've had on the lives of young Fijians in particular cannot be fully captured in words. I know your work is inspiring more Fijians to live up to your example, and I hope that continues. Obviously, not everyone can afford to fund the constructions of new medical centers, but everyone can do their part in some way to make Fiji even stronger, safer, and a better place to call home. Health in particular is a sector where cooperation and partnership can be incredibly effective as we work to expand the reach of our medical services for the Fijian people, regardless of where they call home in Fiji and regardless of their socio-economic status. This year, we increased funding allocation to the Ministry of Health by over $100 million in that aim, funding new hospitals and health centers and expanding the range of treatments available to our people. We are recruiting more qualified health personnel, and we've established the ministry's first ever customer care center where patients and their families can call and give their feedback on the services we offer. We are also pursuing a public-private partnership, the Triple P, at the moment to massively develop and upgrade the Mba and Lautoka hospitals and raise their health offerings to the same level of care found in developed nations around the world. That Triple P project alone will bring higher quality health services to around 380,000 Fijians. We are also very excited that we will also make open heart surgeries available 24/7 right here in Fiji. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is progress. And looking at the faces of these young Fijians here today who have already benefited from these sorts of surgeries, nothing shows more clearly that we are on the right path in developing our health sector in Fiji. My fellow Fijians, the level of care and responsibility we share towards one another is what defines us as a society. It is what defines the Fijian spirit, and it will be the legacy we one day pass on to those who come after us. That legacy is becoming prouder every day due to the great work of our many partners in progress, including the Sai Prema Foundation and its members. All of this we see here today, this new medical center, along with these young Fijians who have already assisted, excuse me, is all testament to your commitment to Fiji and our people. You've certainly set a very high bar and responsible for carrying Fijian citizenship, and I very much look forward to all you have yet to achieve. And I thank you for that great announcement. What a gift to the people of Fiji. And I thank you. How are you again?
Thank you.
Thank you. My hand, where are the medicines? Life-saving. Bangalore.
We are in 10 years. She had the most